Good morning, students. I hope you all are safe. I am your maths teacher. Today I am going to explain you a new chapter, chapter 12, Can we share? Topic Division. Before starting, I have to give you some instruction. Observe the sum solved and solve the sum given in PDF in your notebook. Divide the following. Number 1. 81 divided by 9. Here we have to divide 81 with 9. So let's start. What we have to do here, we have to divide 81 with 9. So first of all we will write the 9 table. So let's start. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45, 9 six are 54, 9 sevens are 63, 9 eights are 72, 9 nines are 81, 9 tens are 90. Now we will check that whether 81 is coming in 9 table or not. So let's check it. 81. Whether 81 is coming in the 9 table or not. Yes, it is coming. 9 nines are 81. So we will write here 9 nines are 81. So we will subtract now. 1 minus 1, 0. 8 minus 8, 0. So, therefore our answer is quotient 9 and remainder 0. 58 divided by 7. Here we have to divide the number 58 with 7. 58 with 7. So, first of all we will write the 7 table. So let's start. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, 7 six are 42, 7 sevens are 49, 7 eights are 56, 7 nines are 63, 7 tens are 70. Now we will check whether the number 58 is coming in 7 table or not. So let's check it. Whether 58 is coming in 7 table. No, it is not coming in 7 table. Now what to do? We will check that the number 58 is between number of which two number. So let's check. The number 58 is between number of which two number. It is not between number 7 and 14. So it is the between number of 56 and 63. The number, which number is smaller than the 58, 56 or 63? It is 56. So we will write the number 56. So what we will do? 7 eights are 56. 7 eights are 56. We will minus the number 56 from 58. 8 minus 6, 2. 5 minus 5, 0. So here our answer is quotient 8 and remainder 2. Quotient 8 and remainder 2. Now let's look to another sum. 432 divided by 8. Here we have to divide the number 432 with 8. 432 with 8. First of all, we will write the 8 table. So let's start. 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. 8 threes are 24. 8 fours are 32. 8 fives are 40. 8 six are 48. 8 sevens are 56. 8 eights are 64. 8 nines are 72. 8 tens are 80. Now what we will do, it is 432. So we will see first two digit of 432, that is 4 and 3, 43. Now we will check whether the number 43 is coming in the table 8. Is it coming in the table 8? No. The number 43 is not coming in the table 8. So what we will do now? We will check that the number 43 is the between number of which two number? So let's check it. It is between number of 40 and 48. It is between number of 40 and 48. Which number is smaller than 43? 40 or 48? The number 40 is smaller than 43. So we will write here 5. In which table it is coming? 8 5s are 40. So we will write here 8 5s are 40. What we will do? We will do subtraction. 3 minus 0, 3. 4 minus 4, 0. Now the number 2 is remaining. So what we will do? We will bring down the number 2. Now again we will check whether the number 32 is coming in the table or not. So let's check it. Whether the number 32 is coming in the table? Yes, it is coming. Where it is coming? 8 fours are 32. So what we will write? 8 fours are 32. What we will do? We will subtract the number 32 with 32. 2 minus 2, 0. 3 minus 3, 0. So our answer is, quotient is 54 and remainder is 0. Now let's move to another sum. That is 128 divided by 2. What we have to do here? We have to divide the number 128 with 2. So what is our first step? We will write the 2 table. So let's begin. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. 2 6 are 12. 2 sevens are 14. 2 eights are 16. 2 nines are 18. 2 tens are 20. Now the number is 128. It is 3-digit number. So we will take only first 2-digit number, that is 12. Now we will check that whether the number 12 is coming in the 2 table or not. Yes, it is coming in 2 table. It is 2 6 are 12. So we will write here 2 6 are 12. What we will do? We will subtract. 2 minus 2, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. Now we will bring down the number 8. Now again we will check that whether the number 8 is coming in the 2 table or not. Let's check it. Yes, it is coming in the 2 table. It is 2 4s are 8. So where we will write? Here 2 4s are 8. What we will do? We will subtract. 8 minus 8, 0. Therefore answer is quotient 64 and remainder 0. I hope that you have understood it, and the remaining sum you have to solve by your own self. Hope you have understood this topic. Solve the exercise given in PDF in your notebook, and after completing it, mail it on given mail ID.